In this video, I'm gonna show you export settings for Reel or TikTok. You'll open any video here, like this one. Yep, and then go to sequence settings. Here, time base 25 frames, and then come here. Frame size horizontal 1080p, vertical 1920p, and it's alright. Then press OK. Yeah, and then press Ctrl M, and then here doesn't matter because we're gonna customize this. Width here 1080 by 1920. Check this render at maximum depth, and then come down, and here BBR 2 pass, put it 8. In the target bitrate, put it 8 or 6, and in the maximum bitrate, put 8. Yep, and then check this use maximum render quality, and then go to effects, loudness normalization. Yep, ITUBS, target loudness -14, tolerance 0, max peak -1, and here you're good to go. You can export it now. And yeah, please support me, follow me on Instagram. Please you need to subscribe my channel now. I would really appreciate it, please. And yeah, I have my PayPal now, so you can gift me money, so it would be really nice if you do.